My kit that I use, or I learned how to use on a truck, how to climb on the back of a truck without a ladder, since I have bad knees, and how to pull the lever that locks the tandem without using my hands, especially when the pin is stuck. I made a kit for my own use, like climbing trees, to pull anything that is heavy. Here is the kit. It's very light kit. What is in that kit? Very few elements. This is a tying rope. It is a polyethylene rope. It is not very strong. You use it to tie anything in the truck that breaks down, like a broken bumper. I have an accident a few days ago that the bumper was broke. That was very helpful to keep the bumper until I got to the shop. And here are two polyester ropes, one for safety, like a life saving, and one for climbing. And I have two carabiners and a figure of 8, and the belt that goes around the waist line, and a ring, a loop from the polyester, to show you how I am going to use it to climb on that truck.